Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Wasim Hassan and you guys are watching Wasim Hassan TV. Today is the 14th Feb, the day of love. So let's spread love among the key workers, the frontline workers here working for us to clean the city, to protect the city, for our health. So I'm gonna give these flowers to the cleaners. They clean for us, to the police, and to the NHS workers if I find some. So stay with me. Let's see who's the first lucky one to get this flower for Valentine's Day. So let's find the first lucky one. So let's spread love in Burberito to my friends. Dipti. Hello Dipti. This is for you. Yeah. Oh, it's all right.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Eddie. Eddie. This is for you.
You give me a flower?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, thank you.
I want to
so
marry
much.
you.
I'm married, love.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. You can
Yeah?
have it.
Oh,
You can
thank
have
you
it.
so much.
Have a good Valentine Day.
I hope.
Yeah. I love you. This is for you, yeah?
Oh, thank you so much.
This is for Labby as well.
Okay.
She's my friend as well. This is for my brother Ash. I love you, Ash.
Thank you very much. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day. Everyone, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Have a good one.
Thank you. So, I've got my friend Mike here, the artist. Look, he's really talented guy, but he's on the roads. So he had his birthday yesterday, and today is Valentine's Day. So this is for the Mike. Mike, happy birthday, happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
You good man?
Thank
Yeah.
you.
All right. See you later.
See you later, brother.
So this flower for my friend Rob. Rob, happy Valentine's Day. Any message for lovers?
Yeah, I've got a message for you. Never ever rub another man's rhubarb, yeah?
Yeah.
For Valentine's Day.
What that mean? So we got my friend. What's your name?
Coffee.
Puffy. This is for you.
Thank
Happy
you.
Valentine's Day.
Thank
Have a good night.
And you.